Good morning, class 5. This is your maths period. So take out your maths book, your register, and your stationery. So in the last class, we had done the question number 1 of activity 5. So today we will be doing from question number 2. So open page number 38 in your books. On your books. Today we will be doing the word problems of division. Take out your registers. Write down today's date. Today is 10th of August 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Next to question number 2. Question number 2 is the cost of 216 shirts is rupees 3,35,232. Find the cost of one shirt. So here we have cost of 216 shirts and we have to find out the cost of one shirt. So I have already told you कि जब भी हमें ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बारे में दिया होता है और उससे हमें एक का निकालना होता है तो व्हाट वी डू डिविजन इन दैट. ओके, सो लेट्स डू. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ वन शर्ट हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 216 शर्ट्स हाउ मच? रुपीज़ 3,35,232. So how will we find out the cost of one shirt? We will divide 3,35,232 with 216. Okay. So 335,232 divided by 216. So let's check. So you have to do the rough work in the rough column. Okay. Make a rough column using a pencil and scale. So 216 into 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, 2 2s are 4. So this is bigger than this. So we will write 216 into 1 is 216. And we will subtract it. 15 minus 6 is 9, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we have 1192. So let's check with 5. 6 5s are 30. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 5 2s are 10. So this is 1080. So 2165s are 1080. We will subtract this. 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will bring this down. Now again 216 into 6 is 6 6 are 36, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 2 6 are 12. सो ये भी बढ़ा रहा है तो हम फिर से 5 से करेंगे. तो 1123 माइनस 1110 सॉरी 1080. सो दिस विल बी 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. This is 0. We have 432 and 216 into 2 is 432. So cost of one shirt is rupees 1552. Okay, understood? Now let's do the next question. Question number 3. The product of two numbers is 2,69,928. If one number is 552, then find the other number. सो इधर हमें दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट दे रखा है, ओके, जिसमें से वन नंबर दे रखा है वो है 552. सो प्रोडक्ट दो नंबर्स का है. फर्स्ट नंबर हमें नहीं पता है, एक नंबर हमें पता है 552. तो प्रोडक्ट कितना है? 2,69,928. सो हाउ विल वी फाइंड द अदर नंबर? अब वी नो दैट डिविजन इज द इनवर्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, हम इन दोनों को डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो 2,69,928 yes divided by 552. So let's check it. 552 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Let's check with another number. 5 से करके देखते हैं. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 27. So this is greater than this. Let's check with 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. So we will use this. So 552 into 4 2208. Okay, 200 1 second. Yes. Okay, now we will subtract this. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 2 नीचे आ गया. Now we have 4,912. So let's check with 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36, 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. So ये अभी छोटा है नंबर. Let's check with 9. 552 into 9. Okay, so 552 into 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45 plus 1 46, 9 5s are 45, 45, 45 plus 4 49. So this is 4968. ये बड़ा है नंबर, so we will do with 552 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4 44. So 4416. So 552 into 8 is 4416. Now we will subtract it. 12 minus 6 is 6, 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we have 4968, and we have already checked it. So 552 into 9 is 4968. So the second number is 489. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक इट इफ़ इट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग, तो आप 489 और 552 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड इफ़ यू गेट द आंसर एज दिस मीन्स योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. ओके, डन. Let's do next one. Question number 4. Question number 4 is divide the largest 8-digit number by the largest 3-digit number. Okay, so I have already told you कि आप लार्जेस्ट नंबर और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कैसे बनाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक द लार्जेस्ट 8-digit नंबर. let the largest 8-digit number be 8 times 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. okay, and let the largest 3-digit number be 3-digit number बनाना तो 3 times 9. ओके, हमें क्या करना है, लार्जेस्ट 8-digit नंबर को लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर से डिवाइड करना था. So let's divide it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 999. So 999 into 1 is 999. This is 0. यहाँ पर 9 है तो 999 zeros are 0. This is 9. Again 999 into 0 is 0. We have 1 zeros are again 9, again 0. ओके, सो नाउ हमारे पास क्या बचा है, आंसर में क्वेश्चन एंड रिमाइंडर दोनों लिखेंगे आप. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज 100 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 99. ओके, डन. Class, that's all for today. Rest we will do in the next class. Till then, take care and complete your work. Thank you, class.